I decided to try adding cane to some drawer fronts, and I used some lath to make molding around the cane. But I needed to test some different stains on the lath molding frame to see which paired best with the cane. I used some samples of the lath and added Driftwood Stain and Finishing Oil by Fusion, White Stain and Finishing Oil by Fusion, Weathered Oak by Varathane, and an Algonquin paint wash, also by Fusion. I then grabbed Kona by Varathane, and on half of the samples, I covered it over the Algonquin, the Weathered Oak, the white, and then also did a white and driftwood mix. I laid them all out next to the cane, took a close look, and in the end, I chose the Algonquin Wash. Watch the full makeover to see the entire process of the drawers from start to finish and how the nightstands and dresser turned out. If you'd like to see more tutorial-style clips or full furniture makeovers, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more DIY transformations.